I am Mark.
Hello, I am Jose.
Welcome to
Nihon Oishi Food.
Today the first episode of our program.
And we're going in with the most simple and portable food.
Yeah, the bento.
The bento is a Japanese cold food that it's make it to take it anywhere, like school, jobs, or anything.
Japanese people transformed this delicious meal into a funny happy art.
Our bento will consist in onigiri,
Rice balls,
tamagoyaki,
rolled omelette,
octo wieners.
octo-shaped wieners.
First step, make the rice. The ingredients are rice and water.
The first thing to do is wash the rice and take out of it all the starch.
The water will turn all white washing the rice. So you have to take out the rice and wash it again till the water is clean.
Then you have to put the rice to boil in 2 liters of water, like 10 minutes.
Now that the rice is ready, we're gonna make tamagoyaki. You need 6 eggs, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon or more of soy sauce.
First you have to mix all the ingredients very well. Then you have to fry it in a pan, like an omelette.
¿Ya sonó? Tú vas a decir cuando empecé a grabar. ¿Ya empezaste? Now it's the funny part. You have to roll it up and then put the mixture into the pan again and roll it over again, and so until the mixture is solid.
Then cut it up a numerous pieces to make it easier to eat. And then the tamagoyaki is ready.
Well, now that the tamagoyaki and the rice is ready, now we're gonna make the onigiris.
Now the only thing you have to do is make a little bowl of rice.
When you're making it, fill it with something you like, whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna make it one with tuna. Then you put a little of nori or seaweed to make a little decoration in the rice bowl.
The octo wieners, it's so easy. Just take a few wieners, cut them up at the chopped tip,
then fry it and they're gonna spread and open like octopus tentacles.
y mágicamente. Well, that is much of a bento, but we're gonna put a little tomato on it.
A little of avocado and our bento is ready. Oishi desu!